the Gin Basil Smash. Now, originally, Rutte Celery Gin was used for this cocktail. We don't have that, so I'm actually gonna just dash in a couple of dashes of celery bitters, like that, to get that celery flavor profile going. And then I picked a nice complementary gin here that would work well with it. Now we're gonna do basil leaves. It's up to you how many basil leaves you wanna make it. If you wanna make it super basil-y, put in a lot. If you don't wanna make it too basil-y, don't put in a ton. I'm gonna put in a fair amount. Man, I love basil. So good. All right, there you go, that's a pretty good amount. Let's get some lemon juice going. That one was so juicy, I think I got like an ounce out of that. Let's see. 1 ounce of lemon juice. Oh, I think I can squeeze a little more out. Oh yeah, exactly an ounce, amazing. 2 ounces of our gin, and there's one ingredient that I forgot. I'm gonna go get it right now. Can you guess what it is?
I mean, there must be sugar in here somewhere.
Yeah, simple syrup. Just gonna give this basil a little muddle pants. A muddle right in the pants. 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. Booyah. Booyakashaki. It's kind of wilty. We'll have to make do. I don't know if you can make basil come alive the same way that you make mint. Give it the old slappy. Release those lovely, wonderful, wow, that one flippity flopper right there. You know what? You don't want to cooperate, you're gone. Ooh, fantastic. Oh, with the celery, man. Most people who make this don't make it with celery. The celery bitters is real nice. Probably take it down 1 dash, but real nice with the basil. It's a nice complexity there. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's a lemon sour with the addition of basil and some celery. It's magnifique, it's so good. More complex than your usual sour and very refreshing, light, kind of a banger. Knock a few of these back and, you know, I don't know. And then saunter out of the bar, not too drunk.
Yeah, I wonder how many places you order this that you get it with the Rutte Celery Gin.
Nope, probably never. Probably if you get it from its creator, Jörg Mayer, created at El Lyon in Germany, by the way. So I forgot to say that in the video. So there it is, the Gin Basil Smash.